Hello traders, welcome to episode 286 TO Meme Trade. Could be doing anything, but you're here. For that I'm quite grateful, as always. With, the day going by, us breaking out of it, looked like some sort of, I don't know, bull pull, bull flag, whatever, pretty steep. Busted out and showed a huge spinning top and a lot of rejection for the second time at this critical area of downswing resistance, the top trend line of that, what would seem to be a descending broadening wedge, right? We couldn't break it. We're back inside, just kind of floating along right now. Okay, so not much more has developed since the little false breakout. This is why breakout buying can wreck you, dude. Okay, false breakout, man. It's a 4-hour candle, so you spent probably an hour or two outside breaking this, and people probably got really euphoric and tried to take opportunities going long, and of course, it didn't work out because that's just not the right way. I mean, people do it, people break out trade all the time, but we like, trying to find the bottoms, and we like looking for the bullish divergence, coinciding variables, critical areas of support, fib nodes, all that. Whereas others would try to just buy when it's starting to break out with no confirmation at all. So, testament right here to why breakout trading can be very risky and it is susceptible to tons of failure. All right. So anyway, I don't know what we're really doing right now, besides getting rejected. Okay, there has not been enough time or price action to really see what's going on. Okay, so that's it, man. That's really it. Okay, so what? Oh, is it now a broadening top pattern? Right? Oh, broadening top, man. Like, I don't know, dude. Like, it just... if you're gonna regard the wick, yeah, I guess it's a broadening top. Alright, but if not, I don't know, man. I don't know. It just looks like a flag, false breakout. I want to see more pattern development, and we'll see if we can test this area again and try to break it. Alright, because you keep failing, you will make lower prices and run all the way back down to like 3,800. Okay, so that's it from a high to low, major high to low. We ran up. What did we do? We touched the 78% retrace, 4,094, a little bit higher, got above 4,100, and then sold off as soon as we hit that very deep retrace. Okay, that's it. Making a lower high than our previous high, which guess what? This is a lower high than this high, and then that high way up there, and so on and so forth, right? So the lower highs continue on. Okay, long way we could fall if we don't want to break out here. Okay, so that's it, dude. That's it. People want to call this maybe potentially some inverse head and shoulders. Not a very good looking one. Okay, didn't look near as nice as Litecoin's, and to me it just looked like a bearish cyber pattern, which hit one target and like 20 bucks, 30 bucks away from that secondary target, the 618 from below the high. So there you go, man. Sorry, I'm just gonna drag in today. Sleep was not as plentiful as I would have liked, but I still am here. All right, to do these analyses. All right, let's take a look at chat. See how y'all are doing. All right. Good God, man. Contacts are killing me. Y'all know what happened yesterday. Not good. What's up, James Glenn, dude? First, as usual. Uh-oh, you challenging people. I know, we see a lot of different first people, firsts. So, what's up, Diego? Randy Schulz, Mr. Pays. Good to see you. Didn't we look at hot yesterday or something? I can't remember. Holo chain. We did it with like the falling wedge or something, right? Am I crazy? Was it that drunk, man? What's up, Zachary, Skyward, Brad Lima, Cog for Crypto, Erwin Cog for Crypto, man. Oh man, tonight I'll have it, but my God, in the package I received from Erwin Coffee, man, there were candles in there. There was a freaking dragon candle from Emily Beeswax. Okay, so I'm gonna show that tonight on stream. It's gonna be super scary because it looks so real. It looks like a real dragon, and I kind of jumped in my heart race when I saw it because I thought it was gonna get me, dude. Okay, so thank y'all for that, and yeah, we'll take a look at it a little later. What's up, a Sultan? Pat McLaughlin, D7 Tom, Randy Bobandy, what's up, dude? Michael Lapoya, True Stoner, Dr. Sauce, Hey, Jalen, dude. What's up? Hey, JD. Brian Stevens says Ethereum sucks. Does it suck? It actually isn't performing too poorly, is it? Not really at all. I'm drinking my coffee like a brandy, man. Okay, or something. Dennis Perry, what you doing, dude? Coach K wants to meet the ZRX. Sure, dude. I'll put ZRX on the list for you, man. Okay. As I drag along on this Tuesday. Why do they have to put national titles on Mondays? It's terrible. Terrible idea. You want some Tron Connect crypto capsule? Sure, we'll look at Tron Connect too, man. Sure. Thanks for tuning in. Awesome. Yeah, it's all good, Local Dinosaur, man. If people want to look, dude, they can be disrespected. They like, look, don't people demand respect? And it seems like Bama did not demand respect yesterday, so it's all good, man. It's all good. What's up, High Resonance? Yeah, the rejection whip, Michael, man. The rejection whip. Yep, Brad Lehman, breakout trading in Bitcoin in a bear market seems not too bright. Exactly, dude. Exactly. What's up, Flanders? Stupid Mark Kurt, man. Uh-oh. Hold on a sec. Something might be here. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Oh. Yes, a new part's here. A new part for the PC, which probably in about 2 hours we'll be working on it, installing the Threadripper. This was the part we needed. Expensive part. I got to go get this. I have to. I'm sorry, y'all. I know we had to do this with Threadripper, but give me a sec, okay? There's nothing I can do. Hold on, I'll be right back. Sorry about this, y'all. Sorry about that. Just gotta like, look, man. We've been like, we were like on Saturday. We spent like, I don't know, 5-6 hours getting everything ready, and then like we didn't have the part like wasn't adequate or wasn't like compatible, so we wasted all Saturday trying to get it to work, and it didn't work. So here we are again. Today's the day, hopefully. Oh my God. Anyway, so. What's up, Bill Battleman? GT MKIV, Mag Carl. What's up, Dominique? Dan Stylus, Martin. What's up, dude? Toshi Blue, XRP Mafia. Dude, fantastic people in here right now. Rimlod, man. Dude, Rimlod, thanks for the sub on Twitch. Jesus, man. Thanks, dude. Thanks, man. Much love. Holy crap. What about it, Bradford, man? What about it? Holy crap, dude. I'm dragging so bad right now. Like a zombie. Holy crap. That's nice, man. That's nice. That's real nice, man. The breakout is not breaking out. Bradford, man. Hold on. Let me see here. I'm just looking for this Bradford, okay? Because I didn't know what you're really talking about. Give me a sec. Oh yeah, man. Pretty lit, yeah, but it's just such a long way to go, right? Right, Bradford? Such a long way to go. But yeah, it was a nice little start, wasn't it? Nice little start to the trade setup. So, yeah, man, that's awesome. TRX has been rocking. What do I think? Yeah, it has been rocking. Don't come a knocking on Justin's son eating his boogers on Periscope. Yes, it's been doing well, technically. And it's on the list. We're going to look at it. Dark Sauce, okay. Okay, John Legend wants Neo. Okay, Speak of the Devil. Not the Devil's Lettuce. Alright, we talk about that from time to time in this chat. What's up, Robert Kirk, man? Yeah, absolutely, Arthur, man. Tell Emily that's a wonderful candle. I mean, it wasn't just those. Got an alien head. An alien head candle. Oh my god, I was super scared of that one. I don't know. I wanted to start lighting that one immediately. And then I got 2 regular candles, which were cool. They look like nunchucks, though, because they were, like, tied together. They weren't, you know, standard. They were just, like, you know, the wicks were tied together, so just cut it. So it was cool, man. It was cool like that. Yes. Hey, what's up, Timothy L? And my Roomba's freaking out right now, dude. Everything's going crazy right now. Okay. Put some spect on your coin, Luke Jones. What's your coin? Do you have one? Mobo on the porch, yo. Almost, dude. Almost. It's the cooler. The cooler for the Threadripper. Extremely important, right? You want some V-Chain doing things? Well, man, I'm sure. Put it on the list, man. We got a nice little healthy list going. I love it, man. Some days we'd have literally no requests ever, and it's like, I need your help on the request if you want something. What's up, Jerry Daramus? Yeah, there's Rimlog. What's up, dude? Goonies, man. Goonies. Integrity Farms, Kathleen. Yeah, that's it. Integrity Farms. Does the Threadripper bridge the 2 1080s? Bridge? You talking about SLI? I don't think I'm gonna have it set up as SLI. They're the same make and model, 1080 Ti, which is important, and I don't know, man. I think it's compatible. I don't know though, because like SLI might not be exactly ideal for my particular setup, my situation. So I'm not sure, man. I gotta talk to my IT guy when he gets here this evening. So y'all all know David. He's been on stream before, hanging out with me. Okay. What's up, Chris Farrell? 33 subs till 4,000, Zachary. Good reminder, man. We'll be there probably in a month. Okay, Zachary, 33 subs. Give me a break, dude. What's up, Derek York? Yeah, of course, showed up today. Showed up last night. BNB coin burn this month. Hey, we were looking at BNB Patreon chat a little earlier today. It's been pretty scrubby, pretty bearish in the 6s, right? $6 range. You got kicked in the head by your daughter at 3 a.m. One-man army. That doesn't necessarily make me feel better. Kind of makes me hurt for you. You know, when you fall, or when you see somebody fall like off like a, you know, like a balcony or something, and they hit the ground, and you feel that pain. There's something called mirror neurons that make us feel that. Weird enough. I don't know. That's a little fun fact. Mirror neurons. Okay. What's up, Pablo, dude? ETH, Marcos? Hey, funny enough, I accidentally clicked on ETH. You want to see this? This is not Ethereum. This is Euronext or something. Eurotech, excuse me. Alright, I just accidentally clicked on it. Look at this, man. Look at this potential head and shoulders pattern. Holy crap. So I don't know, dude. Alright, I don't really know what to think of this. This is insane, dude. So I was moving stuff around from OBS and just wanted to click on a random chart, so I did, and here you are. Go to ETH Eurotech, and it's a beautiful, fantastic head and shoulders pattern with a neckline right around $3.09.5. Okay, so great opportunity, great areas that one would go short here in this situation. Crazy world, man. Great. Look at the lower lows and your previous lows too. That's not good. So that's a great little opportunity here on whatever this crap is. Okay, anyway, going to, I don't know, man. Why not share the fun stuff with you that I find? Okay, here's Ethereum, man. Ethereum still in the uptrend. Okay, bouncing off the 50 EMA. We talked about that area as the support. It seems like we're holding it pretty well. And if we couldn't hold this, which we very well could, and continue running, 145 seems like the next target. It's right below the DMA. Okay, so you remember between the 20 and the 50 is your equilibrium zone for your candles. When you're in an uptrend, you typically want to be above the 50 and 20 MA. All right. Great news that we're way above the 200 on the 4 hour. Okay, extremely high above it. And that 200 MA is down at 116. All right, so let's see if we can pivot here, one of these supports, and then run again. All right, and keep this uptrend going. That's it. The fact that we broke out of the rising wedge here, I mean, and like on no volume and really barely any price action, gives reason to believe it's not a very strong pattern. Okay, it's a rising wedge in an uptrend right now. Okay, so might not be as strong. So pivoting anywhere in here, we might get a nice move to the upside, make higher highs. Then 159, 160 was the area to beat that resistance point back from Christmas Eve. All right, you break that, hey man, probably gonna be smooth sailing all the way up to 165. Shoot, man, 178. Okay, that's barely any. That's not much of a support at all, or resistance at this point on the way up. It's not much of a resistance at all. So, dude, like seeing like 188. Hey, 188 with King Logan. All right, there's a little bit more. Okay, I see like the September 12th low. Yeah, this could. 169 could act as a resistance. All right. But hey, man, that's like we're $20 off that right now. So if we can pivot, man, we might have a good shot of running up to those areas. Okay. Anyway, the golden retrace also we're looking for 168.81. That'd be really nice. It'd be divine. All right, let's go to XRP to USD. Remember to hit the like button, that bell, that sub if you are enjoying the content. Use like daily updates and all that. Really would appreciate it. Okay, so here we go, XRP, man. What's going on, dude? Just can't break this 382. Can't break 39 cents anymore. We did it one time on Christmas Eve. We've been failing. Price contraction is very real, right? You got the higher lows, but the lower highs. Volume, it was receding and then kind of just freaked out a little bit. I don't know, man. I think we're very deep. We're very deep in the maturation of this pattern, probably about 85% of the way, right? So at some point, the big move's coming. The measurement of the downside is going to bring it all the way down to 30 cents. Measurement of the upside, we're going to break out, put you around 45 cents. So a pretty large pattern, pretty large triangle. It's been in development, truly, it seems, since the day after Christmas. All right, it's the 8th of January now. So there you go. Okay, sweet. Sweet. I wish there was more to talk about. At some point, very soon, you're going to break this pattern, and you're going to have a nice run to the upside downside. It's a neutral pattern, right? We don't care, though. We don't really care because our targets have been hit. Our trade setup's complete here. It's been complete, man. And then went a little bit further, went one more fib node to go and retrace on news. Lucked out there, right? But hey, if it wasn't for that news, we wouldn't hit our secondary target, the 50% retrace of 42.5 cents. So, Kangs, baby. Kangs. The Superheart.org Foundation. Thanks so much for the sub on YouTube, Gilsma. Thanks, dude. Superheart.org Foundation. Someone will look that up for me so I don't get hacked when I type in that on my URL. Thanks. Okay, so what more do you even want, dude, with this? What more do you want? What do we just show it, man? We just show it again. Who cares? Alright. Oh, no, that one wasn't that. What was it, man? What's going on, dude? Holy crap, man. I got this, dude. I got this, man. All right, this is what we are looking at. This is it, dude. All right, You're like, what are you talking about, Ray? What about XRP, man? It's like, dude, who cares about XRP right now? I mean, like, really, dude. Like, it was, you had all the opportunity in the world. We were waiting. We got everything we needed. And then we said, boom. Kangs. That's it, dude. Kangs. Alright. It's not pictured here, but the secondary target was 50% retrace. Okay. So, again, we made it, and we have not seen it since. So, great. That's the Patreon trade setup. And then right after that, that trade setup, we weaned off XRP, and we went into what do you think? What do you think? We got into Litecoin, right? We were looking for an area of entry down here, this zone. Looking left, right? Back, what was this? The 27th of December, right? Boom. First target was the neckline. First exit or move your stop up. And we have since broken this potential inverse head and shoulders and now confirmed it. And yeah, man, running up a little bit. But hey, the measure move of this pattern is extremely large. We could see $50. All right, that was the secondary target up there. All right, sweet. That's Patreon stuff, man. All right, cool, dude. And we, I don't know, man. We're attempting. You know, people are asking about Litecoin, how we could mess with it. Now, people are like, what happened since we broke out, man? Well, we said we could back test that neckline. I guess we can just go to Litecoin real quick. Who cares, right? And just, I know we had some education on this. Someone was asking about it, right? It's like, so what can we expect if we break it, right? We ran. You wanted to say back test exactly what we got, right? We just hit this 1272 fib extension from your high to low. Okay, we hit it, and then we since broke down. We back tested the area that was once a resistance. It then became support, and then after that, it gave people the opportunity to go long. And we since broken to the upside. We hit the 1414 fib extension at $40.71. We actually got up to $41.30 roughly. This could take some time to get up to target, of course. Just like it took time to get from, you know, our December 27th lows all the way to the first target on January 6th, man. So this is swing trading. This is not day trading. Please understand there is a difference, and one is not better than the other. It is a particular style that is tailored by your specificity, right? By you and your personality as a trader. How do you want to do it? Do you want to be on the screen a lot? Or do you want to be able to relax, enjoy things, have a career job, and do this on the side? Because that's what swing trading, you're able to do that. So that's how I learned how to trade. And it's definitely my particular style that I like. So figure out what kind of style you like, whether it's day trading or swing trading. That's really one of the first things you want to examine about yourself. So, okay, so again, it's going to take us time to get up there. I think that we will struggle probably at the 4320 range. That's 618. Okay, that's a golden retrace from a major swing high from November 7th all the way to the swing low December 14th, 13th, right? 68 or 61.8% retrace. We could very well struggle there and reverse our price action downside. We could. All right, so that might be a good first area where one would take some profit or at least move a stop up to preserve some capital, preserve some gains that they got on the back test. Okay, but understand right now kind of what's going on. It's not very good. Okay, it's not very good at all. Why? Well, we had a high on price right on the breakout, but now we have a higher high on price, and clearly we have almost inexistent positive momentum. We have like none, okay, at all. All right. You're kind of like you formed like a head and shoulders on your RSI, which we don't like drawing patterns, but it is testament to the psychology of what's going on, right? Like head and shoulders, you run up, you have another run, and then you break down, form a neckline, and then you try to rally, and you make lower levels of relative strength to match that left shoulder, and it's just a lower high than the previous high. So lower levels of relative strength, but on higher prices. And that, oh, what the heck? That was weird. lower levels of, yeah, relative strength. So we have bearish divergence for sure here. Okay. Hey, Ricardo SC10, thanks for the sub on YouTube. Jesus, man, welcome, dude. Welcome. If you have any questions about technical analysis, hit us up in this chat right here, or join our Discord. Discord over 1,000 members strong. You want to keep the conversation going, that's the best way to get in contact with people of this community that we've been building for close to a year now. Close to a year. So February 9th was my first day of, February 9th, 2018. First day of content creation ever. Alright, so I can't wait, man. Can't wait. We've got about a month away until the year anniversary. Okay, so that's my inception date, I guess.
Is that a joint?
Well, well, well. Little young fella got ahead of himself again. Never underestimate young fella. Life lesson. Magic happened yesterday. Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
Oh yeah.
Uh-oh.
Certainly did. Certainly did. Hey.
Uh-oh.
You'll never be able to call me a poor sport, will you? Sorry.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Oh, indeed. Thanks, Davo Sweeney, for the 420. But we had conversations last night about all this, you know. So I think we buried the hatchet last night. Yeah, a lot of humble pie. You know, it's weird. Old people, like the older generation, will say humble, not humble. I don't know. Does anyone have anything to say about humble and umble with a U and making it the H silent? Had arguments and debates with people on this throughout the years. So, anyway, go Litecoin. Thanks, Dava. All right, let's go to the next one, right? Holy crap! Holy crap! Holocoin, dude. Holocoin!
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
Jeez, come on, baby. Well, there you go, man. There you go, James Glenn, man. What do you even want? From a high, swing high to swing low, 50% retrace, target acquired. Target hit. Holy crap, man. Well, it's great, though, man. Great. Great stuff. You were asking about it. We're looking at it, and this is it, man. Fruits of the hat, man. It's done, dude. It's like, whatever. Let me get through some chat too, because we've been doing things right. Is Pundi a better S coin than Holochain? That's kind of like your, you know, I don't know. Is Derby the Beanie Baby better than the crab? I mean, maybe. Okay. So, whatever, dude. Sure thing, CWG, man. Always nice to have you tune in, man. Thanks, dude. Really appreciate that. All right. You hope I get some good sleep soon. You hit the bed, Flander, man. Yeah, dude. I hope to get some good sleep soon, too, man. Okay. What's up, Bud Butson, dude? I'm doing well. Hope you're doing extra butt today. Okay, man. Whew. What's after Litcoin, MF? Hot coin, Holocoin. That is super hot, hitting that 50% retrace of the falling wedge pattern. All right, man. Kings. Yeah, Roberto, here you go, man. There's your S coin, dude, that you've been wanting so long, so hard. Oh yeah. What's up, Boss John Arnold, man? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to being a king. Thanks for being here. Much love. Whew. TRX is getting ready. Urban, no, it's already ready. It's already done its thing, dude. Okay, so what is it, Razor? This live TA is on TradingView? Yes, this is live TA on TradingView, man. Absolutely, dude. On Binance, Litecoin hasn't backtested the neckline yet. Yes, Rimlog, but what has it done on Coinbase that it has, right? What's up, Colby, man? Colby McCord coming in from Hotlanta. Hope your business has been staying super hot like Holo Coin. I hope this is what your business has been looking like this season, Colby, man. All right. What's up, Blockchain Bandit, dude? See, Loco's asking if I see an inverse head and shoulders on Bitcoin on the 4 hour starting back from 1125. Too scrubby. It's too scrubby in my opinion, man. But hey, man, it's not to say that it can't work out, can't play out. I mean, dude, if we make the higher low, look, we had the bearish cipher pattern and we broke out to the downside and we hit pretty much hit both targets, both like primary targets, and then we've since reversed with that diamond. Now we're hitting the top trend line of the descending broadening wedge. If we can break that cleanly with some volume and stay outside of that pattern, I think we could see 4,600. All right, Loco's free, but again, that has nothing to do with any kind of inverse head and shoulders. I'm not playing it like that. Okay, I liked Litecoin. It's inverse head and shoulders. It's played out brilliantly. Bitcoin has not done that at all. Okay, and that might be because a lot of people around the market aren't looking at it like an inverse head and shoulders. Like I'm not. I'm not really looking at it that way. Okay. Pundy volume. Hey, Surf Fishing Alabama, man. Thanks so much for the 888. We will mourn together, brother, man. Mourn together. All right. Hey, I'm wearing my black flat today, right?
Is that a joint?
In mourning. All right.
Our boys rock. I told you they have hearts of gold, man. We wanted to win so bad. It was too big of an opportunity to play against Bama, not to give our best and try to kick your asses. Check out President Trump Twitter. He congratulated and invited us to WH.
I would hope so, man. I would hope he would, right? Clemson played lights out, and they deserve a trip to the White House, certainly. Like, my God, right? So, they earned it, and they're going to get it, all right? So, and they're taking home that crystal. Hey, I didn't drink from the decanter, but I did drink Irwin coffee, right? So, thanks, Dabo, for the 420. Is that a joint contribution, man? Thanks, dude. Thanks.
Is that a joint?
Can we look at NPXS/BTC?
Pundy. Oh God, didn't that look like a dumpster fire? Last time we looked at it. Sure, man. Sure, we'll look at it. Thanks, XRP Moon, man. Good God, man. Jeez, dude. Super duper scrubby, man. Give me a sec. Just gonna mess with this a little bit. Give me a sec. Makes sense. That makes too much sense. Wow, holy crap. I'm digging it though, I'm digging it. Okay, alright. Lagging. Alright, so this is PundyCoin, man. PundyCoin. So, I don't know, dude. We had this just nasty move down. We had like a triangle, but then we got some more data, and it's nasty. We broke out, went nowhere. Big 20-30% retrace, or not even. But you can clearly see, man. Alright, just chose anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 on the top, and just 1 on the bottom. Clearly see support on the heart line. And we're just bouncing along that support. But look, man, from a low to high, we got our fib extension. We bounced off the 1618 at 10 sats. Since then, we've broken to the upside, and who cares? It's just a lower high than your previous high, then your previous high, previous high, previous high, previous high, right? Just a bear trend, retracing, Very low volume coin. I don't know, man. It is like your standard S coin, dude. 10 sats, really. But it's a deal, man. It's a deal. Bullish divergence. I don't know, man. I guess. Not really. Yeah, I guess we did, right? Low. Okay, yeah. So we did have some bullish divergence somewhat, right? It was there. It was definitely there. On that RSI, pretty clear as day. So, okay, on the lower lows, at the critical fib extension, the golden mean ratio. Oh, yeah, dude, it's important. We held above it, and since bounced, but just barely breaking above. Oh my God, audio. Holy crap. All right. You gotta be kidding me, dude. We are screwed. Okay, so just barely breaking above the 200 MA, above the 20 and the 50, so trying to get above all 3 MAs now. All right, so I think with the retrace, we can go from a high to low and see how far we've retraced. Probably not even 23% of the way yet. All right, so, you know, that's all that's really happening. Nothing too crazy at this time. Got a long way to go. If you want to be Kangs, you're going to have to break 18 sats and hold above it and then run again, okay? Downslope resistance is very real. That's it on your Pundy coin. Volume, I don't know, man. Hey, man, there's a volume. You know, we got like 20 people buying it versus 10. You know, like, who cares? Like, it's, I guess I get it, man. All right, so just downtrending. They sell cell phones to India or something, dude. Okay.
Is that a joint?
Hey boss, can we look at ETH/USD? Would you short here, or would you still wait for $168 to short? Thank you.
Hey, Midtrade PA, thanks so much for the 420 contribution, dude. We can take a look at it, man. Yeah, sure, dude. Take a look. Thanks, dude. So really with this, man, with Pundy, I don't really know what else to tell you. If we want to, knowing that we bounced to the 1618, thank you so much. Fib Extensions, we love you, but you're no longer of use to us, so we'll get rid of you, and we will now refib just from a high, a discernible high to low. There you are, man. You're right at that 23% retrace. Okay. If you were to commonly retrace, you should expect prices between 16 and 20 sats. Okay. It would be the most reasonable to believe we would crap out at the downslope resistance right at the 382 or a little above the 382. Okay. But, you know, maybe 17 sats might be the area where we reverse our price action to the downside if we don't just do it now. Okay. So that's a big if. That's it, man. Pundy coin, baby. Pundy coin. Thanks again, dude. Okay, Ethereum. Go to Ethereum real quick. Just double back, whatever. Okay, you're asking about a short position. Well, man, kind of fell out of the wedge. The trend is still bullish. We're above the 50 MA for now. You could wait. It's obviously gonna, I don't know, man. I think it'd be prudent to wait because we are in an uptrend right now, and you're approaching the lower risk areas for a long position versus a short position. And I understand, yes, overall bearish and stuff, but trying to call the literal tops of trends is not easy at all, man. Okay, so even though we did have all this bearish divergence here, it was stupid, man. All the way up with the bearish pattern we broke out, but on literally no volume, right? That makes you skeptical of this move down. It makes you, it would make you think, hey man, we might pivot here and rally and run again and make higher highs and maybe get to 168.81. There's just very little resistance. Very little resistance looking left, okay, man? It's like straight up. So, though one could short if they wanted to, it might not be a good opportunity, right? Like, remember, you get to pick what you trade. You get to pick the risk, you get to pick the reward, you get to pick the reasons why you're going long or short at certain particular situations, right? Going short here, what would be your reason why? Like, what would be it, you know? Like, oh, well, we fell out of a wedge. Okay, was there volume on the breakout? Well, no, not. It's actually some of the lowest volume we've seen. Like, it's extremely low, below average volume on this breakout. So that, dude, right there, that's not how you want breakouts. Breakouts, you typically want some sort of volume increase where every red candle we have outside of that wedge is making lower levels, like less people are selling, less people are making transactions. All right, so and again, we're above the 50, so I think that even if it craps out here, man, I still think, like, over and over and over again, keep looking at charts, like, you might rally here. You very well could rally, all right? But that's it, man. Okay. If you were to short, the short would have been up here. Yes, the short would have been one of these two areas because of the bearish divergence, because right here, the lower high, you can clearly see was a lower high in the previous high when we broke down. So you would have already got some gains on a short there. But again, like, okay, you're short and your exits down here for some good reward or risk, well, we might not hit that, okay, just because we are in an uptrend right now. All right, so that's it, dude. Might probably want to wait till the 618, maybe, man. Okay, just based on, I smell a rat. I smell that it might not be the end for Ethereum with this volume. Okay, whatever, could be wrong, surely could be wrong. All right, but I'm just trying to break it down best I can. Thanks, dude, for the 420 mid-trade PA. Thanks, dude. Okay. Hey, man, it's time for your local on the 8s. Holy crap, man. Let's get a big one. Okay, here we are again. We've got 1 hour until the daily close, until the 4-hour candle close. So that means we're gonna have a daily close with below a critical area of resistance that needed to be broken. We did not do it. All right, and there's probably a good chance we're not going to close the daily above this trend line. So we aren't breaking out at all. Okay. Diamond measure move, I think, was putting you around 4,200, and if we were to break out of the descending broadening wedge, the target, the minimum target for any kind of trade setup for a descending broadening wedge breakout of the upside would be at the beginning of the pattern, which was the height, which was 4,600 area. All right, so if we could break it and hold above it, we could expect to see prices up here. You could also go with the 1272 if you wanted, 1414 if you were scared, but the 1618 is confluent with the minimum target for the descending broadening wedge. Okay, so I don't know if we're gonna break it, man. I don't know, because, dude, bear cyber patterns, bear trends, we see them time and time again. They're not good, man. They're not really good. Okay, so let's just break above it. If we can break above it, that's fine, man. Okay, we know how to trade it if we do break out of the upside. Okay, but the longer you reject prices outside of this pattern, the higher the likelihood we will break down to lower prices. Okay, much lower prices. Okay, we must create demand if there is none, right? If there is no demand and we keep rejecting higher prices, the market interprets that as no demand, and they say we will now create it and we will sell off and find demand. Okay, it's all buying and selling is here. Okay, that's why we have runs up, we break down, we run up again, no demand, the exhaustion on the oscillator, we sell off. Right? Anyway, so that's Bitcoin again, just reiterating from the beginning of the stream. Okay, so sweet, dude. Okay, man. Jeez, this thing is just wanting to just not play ball, is it? Jeez, dude. Alright, ZRX, dude. Whatever. Someone asked about ZRX. Okay. What?
Is that a
Like
joint?
my new profile pic.
I don't know. Do I? Elon Musk, thanks for the 420 contribution messages, man. Thanks, dude. Thanks. Hopefully I don't get hacked. Risky click of the day. Oh wow, it looks beautiful, dude. It looks beautiful. He looks like Albert Einstein, man. Albert Einstein. I guess we could show that on stream. I don't know. I don't want to get banned. Here it is, man. Here's Elon Musk, chat. Elon Musk. Okay, nothing. There you go. He looks so beautiful. Does he not, chat? If you prefer Elon Musk with a mustache, type 1 in chat. If you prefer him with no mustache, type 2. Thanks. See the poll, man. Let's get a daily poll or something going, right? Beautiful, man. I'll just type in 1 right now. 1. Okay, sweet. We did it. Whew. Sorry, I'm behind on chat. Really, really behind. Okay. Music a little loud. Yeah, dude, my bad brainwaves, dude. I think I'm just behind, dude. Yeah, I turned it up to analyze something, or to, I was like charting, okay, and it was just like, it was like kind of like intermission or waiting room music while I was finishing that, right? It's Mysterious One Man Army. I'm getting hacked. What's up, C-Dub XRP? See, I got the new AMD, or I got my AMD Threadripper CPU water cooler in. Yeah, man. Dude, please, I need this good news tonight, man. It doesn't make sense while, I mean, I already ordered another one. I got the Kraken X22 and had to order the X42 because this is the one with the part we need. The 22 didn't work. Stupid. Stupid. What's up, Christopher Orton, man? Sure thing, of course, dude. Super hard is fake. Is it really? I don't know, man. Okay. Gotcha, GT. I don't know, dude. Hey, what's up, Mr. Cantomo, man? Good to see you as always, dude. Can we look at VeChain? Yeah, Diego. VeChain on the list, dude. It's on the list, dude. Just getting through things. Okay, look, we got more important things to look at than VeChain, and that's Elon Musk mustache. If Troll Tide was in here right now, he'd be triggered. Hearing me say that, okay. What's up, Louis Marriott, dude? You like my streams, man? I'm glad you like my streams, man. I like you, dude. Have we done Neo? Neo's on the list too. We're actually gonna look after Tron. Tron's next on the list, okay? After I get done with chat, I'm going to Tron Connect, okay? So stick around. What's up, Kaboro, man? Alright, looks like we got a bunch of 1s. I don't think we have any 2s. No 2s. Mr. Cantoma, was that 2, man? Yeah, of course we check out that, Bradford, man, of course. Alright, let's take off, Elon. Thanks, Elon, man. Okay, let's go good. Tron Connect. Wait, no. ZRX Connect, and then Tron Connect. Sorry. Here we go. Here it is, dude. Here is your ZRX to BTC pair. Okay, so disregarding the craziness here, man, what made the most sense was just point 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1 and 2 on the bottom. Right, so 6 on the top, 2 on the bottom. We've since broken out. We've broken the downsloping trend very clearly at pretty critical areas of support back from September of 2018, and some chop right around April 2018. And that's about it, right? So we broke out from your swing high to swing low. It's off just a little bit. Hold on. There we go. From the high to low, we hit the 236, failed. Okay. If this thing is to be successful, this sort of trade, right? If the swing trade is to prevail, should expect prices to be between 10,297 and 11,784, right? The 382 is your moderate retrace, your first fib node of the common retrace zone, we like calling it in here. Unfortunately, having an issue, tremendous issue, breaking above the 20, 50, and 200 MA. They're all very close together now. So if we could break above it, get some volume, hey man, it might be a trade that would work out. But for now, it's just kind of going sideways. Not really good, man. That's not good, breaking out and just going sideways. All right, let's see if we can start making higher prices. All right, that's it. Come on, dude. Come on. CRX. Just wake up. Anyway. That's it, man. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Hold on a sec. I'm zooming out, preparing the next chart for ye, the viewer. And I think you're gonna like what you see, man. You're gonna like the way you look. I guarantee it, man. Or something. It's like Men's Warehouse, but for Tron Connect. That's it, dude, right? You don't get what I'm talking about? Anyone? Okay. Boom. We are Tron. We broke out of a downsloping channel that extends back such a long way, all the way back from Cinco de Mayo days. Holy crap. From your high, your discernible swing high, the daily, May 21st, the swing low. We are soon approaching the 236 fib node. Look at all the resistance. We could not break it. We're so freaking close. Breaking that would certainly, give us a very high opportunity of running to 3.9 cents. Okay, remember we talked about the targets here on Tron Connect would be between 3.9 cents and 5.6 cents, and people are like, man, you're crazy, Ray. You're freaking crazy, man. It's like, all right, above the 20, 50, 200 MAs. Okay, you're uptrending for now. All right, that is what you have going on. But again, this is extremely important. I don't know how we're going to do it. We got to get some volume to break us above 2.8 cents. That is a big, big area of adversity we are soon approaching. You definitely want to have your alert set up so we can break this, man. I mean, my alert went off earlier today because we were breaking some just very short-term resistance, right? This December 23rd high. All right, so got the alert set up. We hear this beep, man. That means Tron's definitely running to breaking overhead resistance points. Wow. All right, so how's Tron looking? Tron looks broken out. It looks broken out. That's it, dude. Okay. Jeez, man. Mutton chops should make a comeback, and also mullets, dude. Right? You have a beard with no eyebrows, Blockchain Bandit. That would look splendid, dude. Holy crap, man. Struggling, dude. Double eyebrows? Wow, that'd be crazy, dude. What bet gapped up on Binance 4 hour? Get wrecked, Remlog, dude. It's probably you, man. You probably like all in, dude. And you just put in so much VeChain doing things. It was probably you and Bet Moonboy at the same time, right? Look at 11 likes away from 100. Are you kidding me, man? Let's get some fireworks for Sidegirl in her honor. Are we showing signs of a bull market? No, Cody DeGroff. We are not showing signs of a bull market. Not really, no. Dude, we have an uptrend, a retrace that's occurring right now after such incessant selling. We lost over 50% of our value in a 5-week period. Making common retraces in bear markets, that is normal, and that's literally what we're doing right now. So, no, this is not a... Is this a bull run? No, it's not a bull run. Not. Whew. That's right, Muscanto, my man. Cows with guns for one-man army. Mitch Warehouse, you're gonna like the way we chart. I guarantee it, man. I guess so. You're gonna like the way we respect the TA, right? King Logan's here. Let's just play the Jesus Chimes. Why not? It's the 1G project, dude. That's for you too, man. You're gonna get mixed in with the Jesus Chimes. But yeah. What? No Jesus Chimes, man. DMs.
Is that a joint?
Daily reminder. You are sexy, you are smart, and I like your streams.
Thanks, Cab, for the 420 contribution. Is that John Cabby? What?
Is that a joint?
Daily reminder. You are sexy, you are smart, and I like your streams.
Thanks, Kayabi, for the Is That a Joint contribution ×2. Holy crap, that was not a mistake. That was not a bug. That was actually real. That was real. Oh, thank you for the 840. Is that 2 joints? I believe it is. Thanks, dude. Or thanks. What a wonderful governor. All right. The first elected female governor in the history of the state of Alabama. Thank you, Abby. What's up, Alex Cobb? The Kang, man. The Kang. Good stream today, man. Good freaking stream,
Thank you, 2 bits.
Hey, 2 bits. Thanks so much for the 333. Was that you? 2 bits? Really, man? Thanks for the Tron Connect in the jar. Really appreciate that. Oh my god, one more like them. But we did it, man. We did it. We got 100 likes, so we get the fireworks going, man. Boom, for Side Girl. Celebration. Oh, Russia is set to buy $10 billion worth of Bitcoin, Gary? Uh-oh. They're set to buy it. What, Russia? You talking about the Russian government's going to buy $10 billion worth of Bitcoin? Are they, man? It's all good, Cody, man. It's all good, dude, okay? One day at a time. Oh, man. You stay hydrated. Tron is hyping before their event like XRP hyped before as well. Major sell-off logos for maybe, dude. Maybe. Either way, man, we know targets if we can breach the 236, the most shallow retrace, okay, that you could achieve, right, with a major high to low. So, wonderful. It's just kind of one that got away, and we just had other opportunities, and there's been ample amounts of opportunity on this market to go long at certain particular situations, certain coins, okay? So, hope you've been able to take advantage of those. I know we have. Man, my eyes are like so heavy, dude. Thanks again, 2 bits, man. Okay, so go to Neo. Let's go to Neo, man. Check out what they call it, the Chinese Ethereum, man. That's what it is. Hey, man. Okay. But we was gonna be Kangs. Well, we was gonna be Kangs, man. We're starting to become Kangs. Alright, breaking the down-sloping resistance. Golden Cross. Bullish divergence on the RSI, not only on the 4-hour, but also on what? The daily. So we were time hopping. As you can see clearly, we've breached the resistance. Okay, and we're trying to run up now to the upside, okay?
Is that a joint?
I'm allowed to buy whatever I want, okay?
Hey, Vladimir Putin, man, thanks for the 420 contribution. That reminds me of Teddy KGB in Rounders, where he's like, and I'll splash the pot however I want, man, or whatever, you know what he said, right? So, thanks so much, Vladimir Putin, for stopping by and letting us know that you might be buying 10 billion worth of Bitcoin. Okay, man, we'll take a look at the price and see. Okay, here's the thing about this is crazy about Neo. The most previous discernible swing high you see is back from April 30th, right? So we would fib it like that, right? From your high to low, a long way to go. Long way to go. So dude, I mean, if you get some volume, hey, we got some volume, all right? That's very interesting. But look, a 23% retrace is at 36.15 sats. Your 200 MA is at 29.98. Okay, we've done this before, but if we need to draw it, we can. Okay, if we were to get into the 618, right? 618, what is that? That's that is right. That is Mordor, right? You got the Eye of Sauron, right, dude? Up here, and it's like this, dude. Holy crap! Oh my god!
What up, fam? Go/BTC, please and thanks.
Is that a joint?
Hey, Crypto Chef, thanks for the 420, man. Yo, take a look, go, dude. Take a look, go, man. All right, dudes. Where you gonna go? What stream you gonna go to where they actually draw the Eye of Sauron at the Golden Retrace? Okay. Okay, that's it, man. This is Mordor. We are in the Shire right now. We have a long way to go. We could get killed in Bree, the other place with the elves. the other places in Middle Earth. Okay, and then Mordor itself. So long way to go. Okay, anyway, so we could expect prices, if this is to play out normally, could expect prices between here and here, right? Between 4,800 and change and 4,834 and 6804 sats. All right, so that's it. Okay, man. I think like you would want to have probably some like, you know, crazy like effects going too, like what? I see you. All right. Anyway, y'all get this. Y'all get what I'm doing. Okay. Check out Go real quick. Go's being like bleh, man, right? It's being really bleh. I mean, just asking. Like, I think. Okay, let's go to Go real quick. I think it's a King Crypto Show, man. Alright, dude. So what's going on with Go Chain? Well, dude, look, man. 4 hour, it looked very, it looked like a decent wedge, right? We knew there was critical support down here. Okay, we had a stop set up. I don't know if the wick, right, could have screwed it. But look, man, you had very, very nice levels of bullish divergence on the way down. Alright, even when you made a lower low, you had positive momentum. You didn't even have negative momentum. Alright, that's bullish, more bullish than not. Alright, RSI, low, lower low. Believe it or not, on the daily. I know this is the 4 hour. It's all stupid, man. I've like set, it's just a big annoyance, okay, having to change it up every time. But look, man, here it is. This is new. This is like a newer development, kind of. All right, with the RSI low, lower low, higher lows, relative strength. So that's bullish. This is pretty much bullish. Oh, this is definitely bullish. Okay, I mean, you don't make lower lows with positive momentum. I'm sorry. At critical areas of support. So we were just saying, like, we're below the 20 to 50 day moving average too. That sucks, man. You got to breach that. I mean, look, we've tried before, we failed. I mean, we haven't been above we have not seen prices above the 20 day moving average on Go Chain since November 19th. Okay, that's the last time we were above it. So it's been, you know, it's been a while. So that's really it for the daily analysis. So annoying. Alright, let's go to the 4 hour so you can see a little bit clearer what's going on. We have like a falling wedge pattern and just not been able to breach it, not been able to break out, still like making lower lows, candle body closed lows. But look, man, let's see. Aha. If you want to zoom in a little bit, Crypto Chef, look at this, man. Look at this. On the 4 hour, low on price, oversold, very weak, right? But we're making lower lows, higher levels of relative strength, bullish. That's bullish divergence, class A, and critical area support. Can we hold? It seems like we would. I mean, this is screaming we should, but dude, you just can't break above the 20 and 50 MA. It's so bearish, right? It just, God, man. Come on. I mean, you're just reaching critical levels, man. It's like it's do or die time coming up for Go Chain. Okay, you're at this downsloping resistance. You just can't break it. If you do break it, you're not sustaining prices above it. You're falling below the 20-50 MA. But again, when you're falling to lower prices, you're making nice levels of bullish divergence on the daily, but also the 4 hour at that do or die support back from October of this year. Okay, October 2018. Or no, this year, last year, whatever. It's 2019 now. So this is it, man. Overall, though, you can clearly see the equidistant channel is down sloping, indicates the bear trend we're in right now, the downtrend. Okay, that's it for Go Chain. Crypto Chef, thanks again, man. Much love. All right. Okay, VeChain.
VeChain doing things.
Alright, dude. This is what we have on VeChain. This is kind of a freebie one, right? But look, dude. Nasty downtrend. The selling has been immense. Okay, it has been incessant, and we have reached another critical area of support. A lot of these other altcoins are hitting these critical areas. Some are running before the others, but here we are on VET to BTC at August 14, the lowest low of all time on this chart. Okay, and so now what do? We broke out of the downtrend, ran up and did nothing. Okay, it sold off and right back at the December 15th lows. We're just hanging out, but look, we're making slightly lower lows, but with slightly higher levels of relative strength. That's bullish divergence on the RSI. We're saying, look, an entry here would be reasonable, and a stop, you can make it as loose as you want, just because we had such a high opportunity for gains if this thing was to run, because we know if we look at the daily time scale, dude, there's absolutely no discernible swing high until you go back to September 4th. So these fibs, there's pretty much no question these fibs are accurate from your high to low. The run could be tremendous, run up to 167 sats, the 382. All right, you could grab out of the 142, the 142 sat range, the 236, very shallow retrace, and can continue selling off. Yes, sure, but you're looking for the minimal common retrace, right? The 382, that's what you're looking for. Okay, most people don't trade just the 236. Okay, so you just let it go and see what happens. All right, so we've since begun to bounce a little bit today. Currently sitting at 109 sats, up 4.81% really from entry. Okay, that's it, dude. What more do you want? I'm sorry, it's like, it's not taking me 10 hours to chart these or to explain them or talk about them, but hey man, we look at these, we keep most of our charts pretty updated, right, for the most part. Whew, holy crap, man. Scroll through some chats and we'll just keep rolling. Man, we've been so efficient today. God. Like 12 charts or something, hour and 11 minutes in. Not bad. Decent, what is it? CPM, charts per minute, I guess, right? I don't know. Dan, you missed the stream because you were working. Dude, it's all good, man. No worries, man. Big spike down on the 1 minute chart. What? Not the 1 minute? What's up, Bo Sullivan, dude? Yeah, we're going to make it 2020, and it's going to be legendary, dude. Okay, I'm making it 2020. Hey, Tyler Hill. Good evening to you, man. I'm doing better, man. Doing okay. All right. Give that man his money, one-man army. That's it, dude. That's it. What's up, Crypto Kiwi, man? Hey, dude, you know all about Sauron, dude. You know all about it, okay? You miss Julia? I don't know. She's, I think she's working right now, okay? Oh. Text messages. Hold on a second. Island bottoms, though, are really just about gaps, though. Like, there is no gap, so I didn't even know island bottoms could actually be a thing in crypto because there's no gaps. Gaps are like a strong characteristic of island bottoms, reversals. So, see, you know what I'm saying, man? I mean, it looks like a scrubby inverse head and shoulders. It also looks like a descending broadening wedge, right? Ow. I like your little uptrend though. Your equidistant channel though. That looks pretty hot. Super hot. Chain links breaking out. So right, the island bottom is right. It's just the psychology of traders saying, okay, obviously this gap doesn't mean anything. It's gonna fill, right? So you break down, and then you have a set, like you have a pre-market or after-hour trading where there's just no demand, okay, and so it just gaps down and then chops around, does nothing, and then it'll gap back up like that, and that's your island bottom reversal. from what I've learned of them. Okay, I didn't think they were in crypto. So the gaps are important though. Those are like overwhelming features that make these the islands, and that's why they're called islands, because they are by themselves. They're just pieces of. There's a candle. There's like 5 minimum candles down there on the daily, really, and then or more, and then they just man, I don't know, man, just we're floating around, clearly not going any lower, and then just gap back up. It's really, you gap back up, like you don't even feel the gap. That's a weird thing about it. It's just like dead space right here. Okay, I don't know, it's weird. Okay, sorry. Anyway, those are you Kang Logan, man. A bit old. I don't know, dude. Like, this from studying Island Bottoms, man. That's what I took from it. So just let me know, dude. Uh-oh. Am I a minister in violation of my national security clearance? Maybe. I don't know. Am I? You tell me, dude. Isn't it like more like, I don't know, may you? Maybe, or can you? When Lambo, Jonathan McHugh. Dude, Jonathan McHugh, man. Jonathan McHugh. Do you understand this man right here? Jonathan McHugh just said, when Lambo. I saw the first stream I ever did, and this guy's like one of the first people to ever comment on the first live stream of my entire streaming career. So Jonathan McHugh, man, for you, dude. Thank you. For just being around after all this time. What, coming on a year, man? Can you believe it? What about it, Michael David? What about it? Okay. Wait a second. I thought we looked at... It was another exchange. Here. I don't know, man. Let's go to, let's just do this one. Why not, man? Just give me a sec. That's like too easy, man. Too easy on this one. Here, come on. I mean, this is just Decred, but this is on like the Binance Exchange. I know there are other charts, but like pretty simple, right? This thing got listed on Binance back late October. Okay, we've been selling off. We finally bounced, right? Finally found a higher lows. Okay, just kind of going sideways, which is good. A shift in momentum, pretty clear. But as you can see, man, how well respected, right? Anchor point 1 and 2 and 3, and then number 4 came, and number 5, right? Clearly giving, you know, the sign that the market is interpreting this is some sort of downsloping channel, right? So trying to break above the 75% trend line of the equidistant channel. Just got above the 20, 50, and 200 MA, but man, I just don't know, dude. A lot of sideways action, a lot of indecision. Looks kind of range bound right now, right? Between, well. So we're looking like we're going between 4,440 and 5,043 sats, right? The low, the high, just kind of range bound, right? Which is great. Swing traders of paradise, right? Getting in the low area, right? Just clear. I mean, I know it's a downsloping channel too, so it's not even going to be easy because we understand that. But like, typically, if you're not, you know, if you're just going with horizontal line stuff, pretty simple. You'd be pretty tight, you know, a little tight. And it's not going to yield you much, right? Well, I guess it's pretty good, right? 4.9 to 1 reward to risk. I mean, this is typically how you would just play these, the range bound, okay? The rectangle stuff, okay? I get it, the craziness, but keep your eye on the prize, man. Look what makes the most sense, okay? Like how many touch points we get on the bottom. You can clearly see there's like a stronger support here, a strong resistance right here, okay? So just in between those, that's how one would swing trade, okay? 5.2 to 1 reward to risk. There you go. That's it, dude. There's your Decred in a simple form of swing trading, which is just trading the rectangle. Okay. That's it, dude. Ian Hertz, is this live? Nah, dude, not live. It's a figment of your imagination. Ian, you are screwed. Okay. V-Chain looks good. Hey man, it was a low risk either way, no matter what happens. Somebody get me a Nutella sandwich. Oh yeah, Jonathan, man. Give me a Nutella sandwich, man. Yes, we call the diabetes. The diabetes deli or something, right? I don't know, dude. I'm just not, my brain is not as witty today as it could be. Okay. You have to pay a 20% fee for the subscription. Why do you have to pay a 20% fee? I've never heard of that, Adrian. Adrian 2 times. Oh my god, we have crypto 2 times. We have all kinds of 2 times. Oh, 2 bits. Thanks for the sunglasses, man. Hey, Rami. What is happening? CWG, President Trump's mandating every citizen to go long on Bitcoin in 60 minutes. Alright, dude. Let's see it happen. Is this a tight crowd? Yeah, we're pretty tight, 2 bits. Okay. It's funny, man. It's really funny. Of like, will Bitcoin get to 4K first, or will my sub count? And people have taken my sub count, and it was like, sorry, you're wrong, dude. Bitcoin got to 4K before my sub count, right? It's funny how close my sub count is to the price of Bitcoin right now. Have I checked out ADA yet? Nah, not yet, but buzzing, dude. Not yet. Hold on. If you want me to, I can. Check it out. ADA looks like Neo a lot, man. Greg Morgan, you're driving home in hella traffic, listening to me. Things going to drop? They did drop. They got rejected. Remember? And we made a lower high. Anyway, let's see what I can do. Oh my god, man. This is like my 3rd or 4th yawn of the stream. Someone call an ambulance, dude. This is getting serious. Kappa. Okay. Jeez. See what I can do here. Alright. Just give me a sec. Not bad. Just hold on. Just spring cleaning on my side. None of those will even get saved anyway, but whatever. Dude. That makes sense. Okay. Oh. Alright, man. Alright. So head on over to ADA. Just messed around with this a little bit. Made more sense. Okay, just anchor point 1 back from late August. Anchor point 2, November 6th. Anchor point 3, September 12th or so. Heartline, respect. Okay. Something noted to be noted anyway, I guess. Look at this disgusting downtrend we've been in for so long, right? We've just been selling off. Okay, May 3rd up here, Equistant channel. We've broken out. We broke out of the channel finally. It pivoted, made a lower low than our previous low. But we're making tremendous amounts of bullish divergence on both oscillators, not only on your 4-hour, but your daily as well. Okay, here's your daily. Here's your daily, man. So, it seems there's a discernible swing high on the daily from your high on July 18th to the low. And really, you know, that's conservative fibbing, because someone could easily fib from up here and we can get more targets. But right now, from that high from July 2018, we're just now hitting the 236. and we're struggling a little bit. The 200-day moving average for ADA is at 1396 sats, but if this is really to work out, we should expect to see between 1500 and 1900 sats, okay? Between the 382 and the 618. We know this, we do it over and over and over again, okay? But look at the clear bullish divergence on both oscillators on a very significant time scale, okay? Breaking out of a downtrend we've been in again since May 5th, May 3rd, whatever. Okay, breaking down sloping resistance as well. All right? Here's your ADA, man. Hope that helps just a little bit. It does it all. All right. Sweet. So butts, and that was for you, dude. That was for you. Zoran, that was also for you, dude. This was for you, man. Also, I want to give a shout out to somebody. Give me a sec. Big shout out to Jason D. Thanks so much. Yesterday you joined the Patreon, and I'll play some Jesus Challenge for you. So thank you so much, dude. Okay, it's not showing up on my Streamlabs. Dude. Adrian C, man. Adrian C, dude. Thank you so much for joining the Patreon. Literally like 3 minutes ago. Here's some Jesus Challenge for you, dude. Oh my God. Thanks, dude. Much freaking love. Okay. Awesome. Thank y'all for all the support. It means everything, okay? Alright, sweet. So in the Patreon, yeah, there's trade setups, there's education, lots of education, and you know, there's Discord exclusivity, right, where you'll have me posting charts and just giving tidbits of information. You just have that, you know, that's like an amenity for the Patreon. So anyway, thanks for the 187 people tuned in right now between Twitch and YouTube still. Thank y'all. What happened, Bradford, about not monetizing? And YouTube was like, yep, middle finger to us. Probably, dude. They're probably like, they probably found out like how we work, and they're like, okay, dude, they're not giving them any more exposure to this market, right? Moroccan is, what's up, dude? What's up, BK? Yeah, dude. Yeah. Let's look at BK, man. I think Excellent would be a good choice to look at next. Let's do it, dude. Good to see you again, brother, man. All right, been a minute. Always awesome, man. Excellent. Well, anyway, here's your USD pair. I guess we can look at BTC in a sec, man, but just wanted to show this. Okay, so this is XLM. What did it do? Kind of like Ripple. It broke out of its downsloping channel. Okay, it ran up, hit but right around that 236 and failed, right? It's like, okay, man. Yeah, go figure, failing. Can't break by the 200 MA, but look what's happened. We formed a very nice little symmetrical triangle. We broke out of it bullishly. And guess what the target is? The target's the 236 coincidentally. It just happens to be that way from the breakout. The measured move of this pattern. Okay, all the way up at 13.8 cents. Okay. Oh, nice, dude. Hey. Alright, look at that XLM to BTC. Wow, we haven't looked at this in a while. Last time we looked at this, we were back in like early December, like the beginning of December is when we looked at XLM to BTC, and you're going to love it too. You're going to freaking love it. Does anyone else remember this, talking about high-risk areas, great shorting opportunities up there? Dude, like seriously? You remember the, yeah, up here, man. Bear pole, bear flag, measured move of the bear pole, bear flag was bring you down to 3,000 sats. We got down there, got a little bit lower, and since gone sideways. Why are we going sideways? Look left. Critical areas of support, kind of range bound from the lows to highs while we've plotted all this stuff, okay? So just holding on, bullish divergence. Very nice bullish divergence. And right here's just a double bottom, right? The double bottom, but with extremely high levels of relative strength, okay? So fighting to try to stay above the 20 and 50 MA. But hey, the 200 MA is upon us. That's a big deal. Gotta break above that. Okay, so this was some sort of triangle, whatever. But dude, we kind of felt something happening that was real bad looking. We bounced off this upslipping trend line. We saw the weakness here. We retraced from the high to low about 38% of the way. All right, very, very weak. Lower levels of relative strength. It was just bad. It was bearish convergence. It was like, okay, man, flag, target, hit. All right, so now maybe double bottoming with a neckline right here at 33.81. All right. Let me, easier to see. Okay, so it's a higher low, so it's technically bullish convergence, okay, but double bottom still very real. You have an Adam and Eve double bottom, right, where you V and U. That's not a good looking V. What's up with that, dude? I didn't even try to do that, man. I think it just automatically does that. Whatever, dude. So Adam and Eve, double bottom. The neckline of this pattern is right around 33.85 or something. Right? The measured move of this pattern. Easy. These are the areas. These are the areas for entry for double bottoms. Okay, below risk. You have it. If you were able to break out of the double bottom, it's a potential double bottom until we break the neckline, and once we break it, it's the confirmed double bottom, and then we would have a target or a measured move that would put us up to 38.05. Right? That's what could happen. Okay, so you could just look at it like this. Simple enough. And the problem is, like, you've already pumped up a little bit, so it's going to be difficult. It'd be really difficult doing that. Okay, so it really is like the windfall. Kind of just like that, man. Just like you play it double bottom. This is how we played Bitcoins, right? Bitcoin almost hit its target. Remember when we were in those double bottoms? All right, so there you go, man. This is a certain way one could play this on the double bottom, the Adam and Eve double bottom. Okay, so BK, man, hope that helps. Kind of the way one could look at it. All right, size up. What's happening? Okay. Non-hot tech, man. The Ethereum is still holding. It's still above the. Or unless you're saying you're literally predicting the future in hot tech. Sorry, I'm scrolling through some chat now. Okay, missed some. Taco Tuesday, Sticky, man. I'm jealous, dude. I'm jealous. Yay, BK. It's not a kind of double bottom. It's a definite nice double bottom. Good eye, BK, man. What happened to Fairy Shutster? When X GF back? What you mean, man? What you talking about, homie? Yeah, are you willing to give your ex the keys to your crypto wallets? Good question, Bill Battle. Good question. Anytime, BK, of course, man. Always a pleasure to see you. You know, in the live chat, man. Always. Jacob Schultz, man. We already looked at TRX there, right? We've already looked at it on the chart. Thanks, Sags, man. I'm just using the standard volume. Volume 20 right here. Anyway, so sucks though on this because like we could have had a better entry if we'd have looked at it earlier. But hey, man, wonderful, something worth looking at. But you gotta admire the double bottom, it's such a critical area of support, right? Back from July, back from August, September, and now December and January, right? So great, man. Great range bound Wyckoff stuff, right? So Mike Lamb, you missed a lot, dude. You missed a lot. $14 analysis been done in the stream. Been live for an hour and 34 minutes. Well, please feel free to hit that like button, that bell, that sub if you want to see this channel grow. You want to see us have a greater reach in the crypto sphere. All right. Yeah, all the coins exactly blockchain, but exactly, dude. What's up, long range crypto, dude? I guess we would just try to take a look across the markets, man. Okay, I mean, why not? We haven't looked at the quad screen all day. Here's your quad screen. Okay, I'm gonna move that.
Hey Mitch, thanks for all you do every day.
Hey, Louis Marriott, man, dude, thanks so much, dude, for the
Is that a joint?
contribution, dude. Much freaking love, man. Thank you. Oh, we have a lot of marijuanas in the jar right now. We have a high majority marijuanas. Look at all this devil's lettuce in that jar, dude. Okay, thank y'all. Where'd my music go, man? I think it's back. I think we're good. All right. All right. Anyway, so back to the quad screens. We've got Ripple in the bottom right of your screen. Symmetrical triangle. It could go either way. It's a neutral pattern, inherently right. So we could fall all the way down to 30 cents, or we could run all the way up to 45 cents, right? And break to the upside. But the price contraction is clearly almost done with the lower highs, higher lows. Okay, maturation process is done. Here we go, the top right. Hold on, what the heck? In the top right of your screen is Litecoin. There's a lot of stuff going on, I understand that, but it all makes sense. If you've been watching this stream, understand the analysis. Okay, so in an upsloping channel, but we bounced off that, made the right shoulder, broke out above the neckline, back tested, and now we're trying to go higher, but we have extreme levels of bearish divergence as looked at already early in the stream. Top left of your screen is Ethereum, right? Beautiful little uptrend been going on. We got a rising wedge, had some bearish divergence. But on literally no volume at all, we decided to fall out. Okay, we're holding above the 50 moving average right now, which is still kind of in bullish territory. When you hold and stay above the 50, see if we can get a bounce and keep running and rallying, maybe at 168, 169. Okay, the golden retrace. But there's very little resistance above us, above this 160 area. There's not that much resistance. Okay, bottom left of your screen is XLM to the US dollar. That's a Bitcoin pair. And we've broken out bullishly of the symmetrical triangle, unlike Ripple, still in it, lagging. Measure move of that triangle would put you up here, right at 13.86 cents at that 236. All right, it's just kind of around the market, the bigger coins. Are we cool, man? Are we cool? I think we are, man. I think we are. Oh, crap. Thanks, Skyward, man. Appreciate it, dude. What's up, Riley, dude? What's up, man? Blue Sunset 2202. Thanks so much for the sub on YouTube. It must be from the Andromeda Galaxy. Okay, Blue Sunset. That sun must be extremely hot to be blue, right? Jeez. Of course I did, man. Of course I did, BK. It was terrible. Yep. Yeah, but that QB eviscerated RD, so it doesn't really matter, right? Kudzu tips, man. Yeah, we got kudzu tips in the jar, man. It's not the marijuana sleeve anymore. Is that kudzu? A kudzu joint, man? So Joey B, welcome, man. Glad you made it. Litecoin, the right coin. Sexy Green Wick, you want to post that sound clip for me if you want, dude? Alright, yep. So, y'all, it's been extremely fun stream, efficient stream. We've got a lot done today on this just random Tuesday stream. Alright, we got about 6 minutes left till a daily close on the market, the crypto market. Okay, so is there a 589 tip emoji ball? Nah, Greg Morgan, there's not. And what would it be? You know, like what would the 589 be? It's not gonna be XRP. XRP is like you could tip between like $1 and $4.99, and you're gonna get an XRP emoji in the jar. But no, there's not a 589. We can make one, whatever you want, dude. XRP moon. Right, it could just be a little disco moon like we have, right? Yeah, Morgan Freegan, it's all good, man. Appreciate the condolences, man. It happens, dude. It happens. But at the end of the day, hey, we're still alive. We're still breathing. And we just keep on moving, man. Okay. Put it in the rear view and just keep driving. Sure thing, Coffee Crypto, man. Dude, can't wait to dig into some of that. I started grinding up those beans, man, and very excited. And Arthur, I can't wait to showcase the dragon tonight on stream. Okay, but I never understood how dragons would exist as candles, because won't they melt themselves as soon as they use their fire breath? They're done, dude. They just melt. So it's like, I don't know, man. They contradict themselves. Self-annihilation. It's crazy, man. Le Dragon, Remnog, Trogdor, right? Trogdor. Oh, let me show you something. Fannie Mae. You didn't notice the falling wedge. Look what it did today. It was up 15-16% yesterday, up 12.59% today. Yeah, dude, just a beautiful, beautiful falling wedge, man. Ran up. We're now touching the heart line of the equidistant channel that is downsloping. Okay, Fannie Mae been bearish. November 2016, we've been selling off ever since, right? But finally bounced. Where did we bounce? Bounced off a support, a critical support from January of 2016. We had extreme levels of bullish divergence on both oscillators, not only in the 4-hour, but also the daily. The daily anchor point, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touch points. Valid wedge. Came down and bounced off the 25% trend line of the equidistant channel with the divergence and decided to pop as soon as we touched this support. I mean, that was like everything. That was literally everything, right? I'm talking critical area support, bullish divergence on the MACD, bullish divergence on the RSI, bullish pattern, right? What do you want, man? What do you want, dude? Those are coinciding variables that are very nice. Very, very nice. Okay. Well, the dragons do really exist. They're just not, they don't have wings, really. They don't fly, right? So they're just like lizards and Komodo dragons and stuff, right? I'm sure he is, Anthony, man. I'm sure he is. Is a Skyrim Ice Dragon DK, man? Possibly, dude. Possibly. But it's yellow, so how could it be an Ice Dragon being yellow, dude, right? Wouldn't it be blue? Or something? Lou, this has been a really deep stream. Sick tune. Thanks, Louis, man. What's made the stream so deep, man? What's made it deep? All right. Hey, Nippon Cowboy, good morning to you over in Japan. Welcome. Or Origato, Nippon Cowboy, dude. Dude, it's gotta be. I'm sure if the president and I... Look, you will be able to find the president of the United States talking, okay, on YouTube. I'm sure it's somewhere. Someone will make it happen, okay? The golden beeswax. Oh, yeah? Is that what it is? 9,000 Mile Dragon on Mud Fossil. I don't know what that means, House of Doom, but thanks for tuning in and chiming in and letting us know what this is all about, okay? We just don't know much about wax dragons, okay? But we do know for Fannie Mae, from the swing high to swing low, you have not even hit the 236 yet. A 382 is your first common retrace, which is at 232. Jeez, man, it's a long way to go. Oh my god, man, what is happening, dude? What is happening? Okay, anyway. Okay, so what is it now? What is it? Oops, my bad. I screwed up. Let's go to Bitcoin because the daily is closing now. Right now, just closed. There it is, man. There it is. As John Lara would say, no more S coins. Come on, Bitcoin. Stop being a scrub. Stop topping out. Had a critical downslipping resistance. Why are you doing this, man? I thought we were friends. I thought we were cool. Don't reject it like that. Come on. Let's go to the daily. Now the daily look. So, multiple rejections, indecision. But remember, still the bullish engulfing candle, still real, 20-day moving average. That's great, man. We haven't. When was the last time we've seen a 20-day moving average bullishly cross over the 50? Holy crap, man. That's so bad. Last time we saw a 20-day moving average bullishly crossover. Holy crap, dude. July 21st of 2018. That's the last time we saw the 20 bullish crossover. That's insane, man. Finally got it. So hopefully this can manifest into something. If it does, we know our first target is 4,600. That is a standard trade setup for any kind of descending broadening wedge. Okay, the beginning of the pattern, which is up here, 4,600. So I don't know, man. You're making consecutive lower highs. Come on, dude. Come on, let's go. Let's break it on some volume, and then be kangs. All right. Crap, man. Alright, so I just wanted to stick around with you for the end of the day, you know, for that daily close, that new 4-hour close. So we have a fresh daily candle, fresh 4-hour candle now for you before we sign off, right? But hey, man, good news, though, good news. Even though you are failing to break above this trend line now, you are above the 20 and 50 in May. Good news there. That's what you want to see. You stay above that, everything else will work out. You'll break out, okay, to the upside. But you gotta stay above the 20 and the 50. Okay, the lowest you ever want to go in this situation is 38.63. Go below that, you're screwed. Okay, could back test the diamond. Could. Man, you have a pet dragon, Louis Marriott, man. Oh my god. Alright. Looks like dragons are demonic. Hey, wonderful bricks, man. Just rewind, dude. Looked at TRX pretty early in the stream, okay? So, okay, so thanks so much to the 170 people tuned in right now. What I'm going to do is get out of here. We've looked at 15 plus charts in less than 2-hour period. Not too bad. You know, whatever. We do thorough analysis. So, I hope you all had a wonderful time watching. I hope you learned something. I hope you got better, whatever. So I'll be back tonight at 11 Eastern, right? Thanks so much for the love, support, likes, dislikes, subs, unsubs, and the contributions. I'll be back tonight at 11 Eastern. So until next time, respect the TA.